I've always been taught that the range you should get out of a set of new tyres is around 50,000 miles, but how do you get them to that milestone, and how can you potentially get them to go even longer, 60, 70, 80,000 miles? Well, there are some things you can do when it comes to your driving style and your general maintenance of tyres that can really help out when it comes to the longevity of your rubber. So here are 5 tips, 5 things that you can do to extend the range that you can get out of your tyres. The first one, now this is kind of obvious, but it's something that not many people do. Check and maintain a proper tyre pressure every single month. Now, some people do check their tyre pressures regularly, but a lot of people do not, and doing so monthly, unless obviously you get any kind of warning about the tyre pressures from your car, is a good rule of thumb when it comes to making sure that your tyre pressures are safe. Even the most cautious driver will lose tyre pressure over time. It's natural. They are running around and you're not putting air into them. Eventually, air will very slowly seep out of the tyre. Not to a dangerous degree, of course, unless you run over something, but it will naturally go down. So making sure that your tyre pressures are in the correct range at all times, or at least every month, is a good way to go about things. In general, you'll lose around 1 psi per month. Now again, that does vary depending on the vehicle, your driving style, etc. But that does add up over time. Even the most temperate climates as well, you will get your tyre pressures increasing in the summer and decreasing during the winter, just because obviously the pressure goes down when it's colder and up when it's higher. So again, making sure that this is maintained and in the correct ranges is really key to making sure that your tyres go the full distance. Balancing your tyres as well to make sure that the wear is even all around the tyre is also something. And balancing your tyres as well to help prevent uneven wear is something else that you can do to really help elongate the life of your tyres. Tyre balancing essentially spreads the weight evenly across the wheel and tyre assembly. When the balance is off, the tyre can wear faster in certain spots, for example the inside, the outside, or the middle, depending on where that imbalance is. And doing so regularly and making sure that it's balanced as well will help out the rest of your car too. It'll make sure that your suspension is under less pressure as well. Number 3, making sure that you avoid heavy braking and also sharp turns. Now, of course, there will be instances where you need to brake heavily. You might have to do an emergency stop, but just being a more gentle and cautious driver can really add up when it comes to your tyres lasting longer. Making sure that you decrease your speed appropriately going into sharp turns, and also giving yourself plenty of time to brake, and also making sure that you don't tailgate and you've got plenty of space in case somebody else has to suddenly brake as well, can very much elongate the length of your tyres. Number 4, avoid overloading your vehicle. Sometimes you might have to put a lot of stuff in there. You might be moving house, you might be moving quite a lot of heavy stuff. It does happen from time to time, but in general, don't overload your vehicle, because not only does the suspension of your car suffer, but also the tyres too. You'll put excess wear because there's more weight to your car at that point. So yeah, avoid that if you can. And the last one for you guys, rotating your tyres every 5 to 8,000 miles. Now you might be thinking, wait, my tyres rotate all the time. They're always going round on my car, but I'm not talking about that. Essentially what this means is moving around your tyres between different axles. It's not uncommon for front tyres to wear out faster than rear tyres, particularly if your car is front wheel drive. If your car is rear wheel drive, your rears will probably wear out faster. And there's also differences as well between the left and the right hand side too. Essentially, you just swap their positions around and it makes the wear a lot more even. Now, of course, you can get differences between the front and the rear axle in terms of the tyres, but a lot of cars these days have evened this out. So this is something that you can do as well. So yeah, anywhere between 5 and 8,000 miles, swap them around, see if it makes a difference. And it's something that you'll see in other racing series as well quite a bit, where they'll swap it around. So you can do the same thing with your car, just not quite as often. But yeah, there you go, guys. Those are 5 things that you can do to elongate the length of your tyres. There we go, guys. Those are 5 things that you can do to extend the life of your tyres. I've got a full article over on the motoringchronicle.com as well, with some extra tips as well, 8 on that article. If you want to go and see that, really would appreciate it. Do go over to the website if you want to support some more on there. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this here on the channel. And have a fantastic day wherever in the world today, guys. See you very soon.